Moving on, controversy over BJP leader Jaswant Singh's candidature from Barmer has escalated, with the former External Affairs Minister set to file his nomination papers later, but as an independent. The Congress has placed the blame of this rift within the party squarely on Narendra Modi. It remains to be seen if Jaswant will go a step further and quit the BJP altogether.
जो कुछ आपने देखा और उसमें क्या मैं प्रश्न जो उठता है वो ये नहीं कि मैं क्या एक्शन लूंगा। प्रश्न ये है कि आज या कल आपने जो भावना देखी उसके बाद जनता मुझसे कुछ और करवा सकेगी, ये क्या संभव नहीं है।
कितने बजे नॉमिनेशन?
बस अभी निकलूंगा, कुछ समय लगता है बाड़मेर जाने के। बीच रास्ते में हमारे पूर्वजों के जो यहाँ जिनकी पूजा होती है उनके छोटे छोटे मंदिर हैं और दर्शन करके आगे निकलते हैं।
बीजेपी छोड़ने की भी औपचारिकता है, कोई अनाउंसमेंट?
ये खेद है इसके बारे में, मैं वहाँ सबसे बैठकर ही बात करने के बाद कुछ कह सकता हूँ।
Aishwarya now joins us on the phone line. Aishwarya, in less than 2 hours from now, Jaswant Singh will reveal his cards, although he's left very little unsaid. If he decides to go ahead and contest as an independent, what will the BJP do next? Will they wait for him to quit the party or take action suo moto?
Well, what we are being told by our sources that as soon as the veteran BJP leader Jaswant Singh files his nomination as an independent candidate, BJP could take action against him, because BJP senior leadership gave him a chance by sending out a message that they have some contingency plans for him once BJP comes to power. But it's a myth. Jaswant Singh all set to file his nomination, and the information which we are getting is that the party is not going to relent, and they could take strict action against the former senior BJP leader, because if he decides to file a nomination as an independent candidate, he will be fighting one-on-one with the BJP's candidate in that very constituency of Barmer, which happens to be Colonel Sonaram, and this is something which is going to be interpreted as a complete indiscipline, and this is something which the BJP party President Rajnath Singh would not accept. Thus, sources telling Times now that action could be taken onto the veteran BJP leader Jaswant Singh if he files his nomination as soon as noon. That is what our sources are telling us. But yes, this is going to be an embarrassing situation for the party. This is going to be a difficult decision which the party president would have to take, because this would set a wrong precedent. Jaswant Singh is not the only one who is said to be unhappy with the ticket distribution. There are other leaders as well, and if all of those leaders would rather follow this line, this would be a difficult one to handle for not only the party president but the complete party top brass. Thus, this is what is forcing party president to take a strong action. That is what we are being told. If Jaswant Singh files his nomination, as we are getting the indication of, action would be taken against him.
All right, so the party left with no real option but to make its stand very, very firm. Aishwarya, just stay on with us. Of course, this entire episode of the last few days has given the Congress a handle to sharpen its attack on the BJP.
कांग्रेस मुक्त तो वो न कभी बना पाएंगे, पर भाजपा मुक्त देश जरूर बना दिया है मोदी ने। और जो डिक्टेटरशिप उन्होंने गुजरात में चलाई, जिस तरह से केशुभाई हों या पंड्या हों, चाहे संजय जोशी हों, जो भी नेता गुजरात में थे, जिस तरह से उन्होंने भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं को खत्म किया, उसी तरह अब वो देश में जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता हैं, चाहे वो अडवाणी जी हों, मुरली मनोहर जोशी जी हों, चाहे जसवंत सिंह हों, तमाम उन सीनियर लीडर्स को खत्म करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जो कि उनके आड़े आ सकते।
Really a rebellion leader of the party, and in the afternoon, a little after 12 is the time that astrologers have given him. At 12:15 he will reach the DM office in Barmer and file the nomination. Now, how will the Bharatiya Janata Party really deal with the situation is the question, because he's been one of the most senior, most leaders of the party, and now just before Narendra Modi really ends his campaign for the 2014 mandate, here is a leader on the pedestal of LK Advani who is really walking away from the party, rebelling against this party leadership for not giving him a ticket. There is differences between the party members now out in open. Now, we are also getting to know that after filing his nomination at around 12:15, he will address a mammoth gathering of his supporters and people in one of the major stadiums out here, Azhar Stadium. We'll get to know what really his strategy would be, but certainly a big step being taken by Jaswant Singh at this moment, and we'll have to see how the Bharatiya Janata Party really takes this situation, because Jaswant Singh from time to time in the last 48 hours has attacked Rajnath Singh, Arun Jaitley and several key leaders for really taking this decision of not giving him the ticket, and individuals have really taken over the CEC. That's what the claim of Jaswant Singh, the senior leader.
अब देश जवान हो गया है और जवानों का युग है, उनको खुद से आप पीछे हटना चाहिए। इस उम्र में अब बाकी नहीं रहे कि उनको इलेक्शन लड़ना चाहिए था। मैं समझता हूं कि ये डिसीजन उनका अपना है, हर और प्रजातंत्र में सबको यह हक है फैसला लेने का, लेकिन मैं समझता हूं कि ये ठीक नहीं। अब जवानों का देश है, जवानों को उसका हक मिलना चाहिए। उनके अपने घर में कोई होता, बेटा होता जो उस काबिल होता, और भी दूसरे लोग उनकी जगह पे जो लड़ेंगे, ऐसे लोग हों जो देश को कंट्रीब्यूट कर सके, वो ज्यादा बेहतर थे।
But Barmer isn't the only troublesome seat for the BJP in Rajasthan. Another leader from the state, Subhash Maharia, who was also a former Union Minister of State for Rural Development in the Vajpayee government, is miffed over being denied a party ticket from the Sikar Lok Sabha constituency. The party has fielded Swami Sumedhanand, an outsider, from this seat instead of Maharia. He has been elected to the Lok Sabha thrice and is all set to file his nomination as an independent candidate from Sikar.
पंचायत के निर्णय के सामने मैं भी कोई चीज नहीं हूं। महापंचायत ने जब निर्णय दे दिया तो 26 तारीख को जो मुझे अभी कागज लिख के दिया है, सीकर के रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर के पास नामांकन